It's a pie pan. It's a round biscuit cutter. No, this chicken is too hard to be damaged by mere metal. No, this chicken is too hard to be damaged by mere metal. Bit-O jerky bubblegum.
That meat-flavored gum be looking mighty, mighty tempting. But right now, I be having this insane craving for something crunchy. Something to crack me teeth on. Something crispy and crackly, like me mouth-watering, tongue-torturing chicken and lighter fluid special. Aye, if I hadn't lost all me chickens, I could be savoring that succulent bit of squab right now.
It's the reservation book for the restaurant. It looks too heavy to carry around. Could I have your jawbreaker?
No.
It's been a pleasure. Bye. You know, I really appreciate you taking the time to talk to me. I think we've bonded.
How did you do that?
Oh, it was nothing, really. Just sudden pressure applied below the sternum to expel a foreign object from the windpipe.
That's amazing. I owe you my life. From now on.
Yes?
From now on, that will be known as the Threepwood Maneuver. Nah.
Are you sure you don't want to join my crew?
Come back when you have some real treasure to show me.
It's been a pleasure. Bye. It's only got a little bit of spit and hair on it. It's only got a little bit of spit and hair on it. Ugh, gross. It's got someone else's spit and hair all over it. Would you like this jawbreaker?
Thanks to ye. Ouch! I think I loosed me gold tooth. I knew sweets were being bad for me teeth, but it had a fine crunch and were a fiesta of flavor. From now on, I'll be sticking to fleshier foodstuffs. Something chewy. Well, there I go again. This old salt's got a craving for something to squish between me teeth.
Would you like some gum?
Thanks. This is really good steak-flavored gum. It gets you here, and it gets you right here.
I don't want gum all over my hands. I don't want to singe that with this ember. I'm afraid I might slip and cut him. I'm afraid I might slip and cut him. I can't use the reed with that. I don't want gum all over my hands. It's a large rubber plug. Well, this knife might cut through regular wood, but not a rubber tree. Well, the tree's too rubbery to cut with scissors. They're made from palm trees. They look pretty tough to toss. I'm not contesting the caber toss right now. Wow, for a homemade rubber plug, that worked very nicely. It won't stay in there. The plug is all pasty now. Perfect. my trusty rowboat. Either it's a time-honored form of pirate torture, or just a loose board. I'll never be able to pick that up.
"15 men on a dead man's... Huh. Who are you?"
Ensign Guybrush Threepwood reporting for duty, sir.
Huh? You don't look like a member of my crew.
Honest, I'm the new guy.
I haven't heard of any new recruits. I'll have to check that out with my captain.
You captain?
Yes, Threepwood. You've come aboard the Sea Cucumber. I am Mr. Fossey, the first mate. And my captain? Why, he's the scourge of the seven seas. The dread pirate, legend. Yes, Captain. It's on the table, sir.
LeChuck!
That's right. Captain Lech. Yes, Captain. Just an intruder, sir. But I'm dealing with him. He says you're to be tortured. Choose your punishment. You can either be tarred and feathered, or you can walk the plank.
Couldn't you just let me off with a stern warning?
No. Sorry. Well, I suppose we'll have to go with walking the plank. We're trying to avoid using the tar and feathers. It's messy, and we need to save the tar for emergency leak repair. What do you say, men? Shall we make him walk the plank? Any last words, Threepwood?
I regret that I have but one life to give for love.
All right, in you go! That's odd. There was no splash.
Splash! Looks like a light is on in the captain's cabin. That kind of window usually locks from the inside. I don't want anyone to know I'm here. It's a big old sloppy bucket of tar. This pie pan won't do any good there. How strange. The hold is full of broken luggage. No. Nah.
Who's there? You again? I don't know how or why you came back on board, but you'll be sorry you did. All right, in you go. Who's there? You again? All right, in you go.
I don't need the plank.
Who's there? Again with the sneaking on board the ship! I don't know how or why you came back on board, but the next time you walk the plank will be your last! What's that, Captain? Vandals? Yes, sir. Tar and feathers. I know it's messy, but it's the only torture we have left. Our illustrious captain has declared that you shall be tarred and feathered. That'll learn ya.
So what do I do now?
I don't know. We've never done this before. Aren't you humiliated?
I guess so, but no more than usual.
Well, just get lost then.
El Pollo Diablo! At last, one of my demonic brethren come to set me free!
Oh, brother.
Come, release me, so that I might run free alongside you as we terrorize the mortals of this island!
I'm out of here.
Wait! Don't leave!
It's El Pollo Diablo! Kill him!
I'm sorry. I can't take you seriously while you're dressed like that.
It's El Pollo Diablo! Kill him!
Uh-oh.
It's El Pollo Diablo! The demon chicken! We don't serve your kind here. Beat it! Get me the scissors! Eviscerate him! He'll regret ever setting claws in this place. I want the neck! Do you have a reservation? Madre de Dios! ¡Es el Pollo Diablo!
Sí, he dejado en libertad los prisioneros y ahora vengo por ti.
Well, you're not taking me without a fight.
Ugh, this chicken grease washed off all the feathers. Whoops, I better keep quiet.
Absolutely, Captain. I'll get right on it after I have my dinner. What's that, Captain? I eat too much fried chicken. Well, I've just got a weakness for chicken, that's all. I know you don't have any weaknesses, Captain LeChimp. You're an overachiever, a doer. Well, I'm just a tiny little fly.
The chimp? The captain is an ape? Well, if the captain is an ape, then Mr. Fossey must be...
Aye, aye, Captain! Fresh bananas for the whole crew!
an utter loon.
What's that, Captain? Your parasites are bothering you. Well, of course I'll groom you, sir. You know, sir, finding this gold statue may be just the boost our crew needs. Why, with the riches we get from this, we can get new and better ships and become the terror of the Caribbean.
If I climb out this porthole, I'll wind up floating on the plank I cut. It's Mr. Fossey, the first mate. It's the dread pirate LeChimp. Ugh, it's a porcelain pitcher. Ah, I hate porcelain. It's a long story. I'll explain later. It's a bowl of fruit. I'm not in the mood for fruit. It's a bowl of bananas. I'm not in the mood for bananas. It's a tire swing. No. My favorite. Blondebeard. Ah, it's a porcelain vase. That must be the map to where they've buried Elaine. It's a carafe of balsamic vinegar. I didn't know corn grew in the tropics. It's some smelly, smelly stuff. Salt and pepper shakers. Hey, I wonder how soon these will sprout flies. A stick of butter. Lovely place setting for a gorilla. Looks like mashed potatoes. It's 2 tickets for the Long John Silver Center for the Performing Arts. It's a bowl of bananas. Looks like mashed potatoes. I think Mr. Fossey is the only guy who can talk to him. If he knows I'm here, he might do something even more horrible to me. It's all over everything. If he knows I'm here, he might do something even more horrible to me. If he knows I'm here, he might do something even more horrible to me. I don't think so. It's the dread pirate LeChimp. I think Mr. Fossey is the only guy who can talk to him. If he knows I'm here, he might do something even more horrible to me.